Hello, this is David at 1095 Western Drive, lot 417H, conducting a roof inspection for you. Now, you asked to assess the state of the roof to see if it needs just some repairs or a full roof replacement. Now, the first things I want to draw your attention to are these areas on the roof where multiple shingles are deteriorating to where the granules are falling off. Now, this can be due to two facts. It could be from hail hits, but likely since it's in this area, and this area, and it all kind of looks the same, it's likely that this portion of the roof either doesn't get enough ventilation or it overheats or whatnot. But either way, that's three large areas where there is quite a bit of damage, and then that is kind of all over the whole scope of the roof. Now, the reason why this isn't good is because when these granules start falling off, the fiberglass under matting will start getting baked out by the sun, and once that's fully baked through, water can get straight into your roofing system. Now, the one thing I was mentioning to you is if your client had insurance. Now, the age of this roof isn't looking too great, which means insurance companies may say the roof looks too old, so we can't verify that the homeowner can get it covered under hail and wind damage, but or also their policy may not allow it due to the roof's age. But either way, if you could talk to your clients about their insurance policy, that would be great. But this is what I want to draw your attention to. When we assess a roof for hail damage, the first thing we do is step in the shoes of an adjuster and point out collateral. Collateral is where hail hits the soft metals of your roof with enough force to obviously dent the metals, and there's denting all along the top of this big swamp cooler as well. And I can see hits on the skylights as well. So those are things that insurance will likely cover if your homeowner has a qualifying policy. Now, the next thing they're gonna look for a whole roof replacement is something called spalding. Spalding is where hail hits the shingle with enough force to knock away the granules, exposing that fiberglass under matting. And you see how this is graying out a little bit? That's what I mean by baking out. And now this area is very close to being able to have water come all the way through that area on the shingle. Now, let me show you a few examples of why this could pass and get covered under insurance. Is because there is there are very good examples of hail hits on this roof. And when you step back and look, I found 25 and there was even more. So I worked 25 plus. Now, the insurance company will likely pay for it if their policy allows it. So if you can look into that for them, that would be great. But I don't know how fast this deal needs to move along. So let's talk about our options after you watch this video. Have a great day. Bye. David with Red Rock Roofing signing off.